Welcome everyone. If you're new here, my name is Lavinia. In today's video, I am planning my zone cleaning for this upcoming week starting tomorrow, June 7th. Actually, June 8th. Today is the 7th, Sunday. And my week 2 zone is kitchen, dining, and living room. So for tomorrow, Monday, what I have planned is pick up and put away, clean the counter and island, wipe the outside of the fridge, clean the microwave in and out, and shine the sink. And actually, I already completed the shine the sink today, so I'm going to mark that as done. And what I do to shine the sink is I use an item called the pink stuff. And I have a dual sink, and I use, a sponge, and I go around the sink with that, as well as the garbage disposal. Make sure that I get that sponge underneath there so nothing cruddy builds up. So I do that every week. And maybe next week what I'll do is I'll do a video on that so you can take a look. Then for Tuesday, I am planning the dining room, which is pick up and put away, dust the windowsills, clean off the top of the dining table and dust the chairs, dust the baseboards, and rinse the plants. So what I do for the plants is I put them under the sink or in the sink, and I give them a nice little rinse. I have quite a few Christmas cacti, Thanksgiving cacti. I don't know. I remember Donna Maria called them because I said these that bloom at several times during the year. So she called them volunteer cacti. So I thought that was really cute. And then for Wednesday, I have my laundry, the pet dishes, and pet trees. So when I have the zone for the living room, this is what I have included in there because my pet tree is in the living room. And for the pet dishes, I have these bowl cozies, my original bowl cozies that I was attempting, and they came out kind of crooked. So I actually put my pet bowls in those bowl cozies. This way they, so if I lift them, they're slip resistant. So it has been working out well, even though they're kind of like little crooked bowl cozies. When I get to that, I'll go ahead and I'll show you maybe also. Then I have vacuuming and mopping as part of my weekly home blessing, and I'll be doing that on Wednesday. But I will also do a deeper clean for the living room, kitchen, and dining room. But the vacuum and mop also for the weekly home blessing in the more trafficked areas. And then the living room, we have a door, sliding glass door to head out onto the back patio. So I want to deep clean that. And then living room dusting, and then the baseboards in all three of those rooms, the kitchen, living room, and dining room. So that is it for the first part of the week. I don't have anything scheduled yet for Thursday, Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. And yeah, we'll see how this goes. For example, if I still do maybe some of these items today or push them off throughout the rest of the week, that's fine. I also have this happy planner. I think I did a flip through a while ago when I first purchased it. The sheets are coming apart, but it has stickers here on like different items. So like this is all meals. So maybe I will use this sticker because I want to use them. So I think I'm going to put that here with that sweeping. And I might put this grocery list. I think I'll put that here for Tuesday in case I do go out on Wednesday what I want to purchase. I'm hoping to get back into whole food plant-based. And then it has stickers for meal prep. I'm going to skip those for now. But I like that this has a rubber band to keep everything together. Otherwise, these pages would be all over the place. But that is my Zone 2 for the week starting June 8th. At least that first part of the week. So we'll see how everything goes. And towards maybe the end of the week, I'll prep for the following week, and then we'll see where we were at, what I completed for this zone, and what I'm preparing for the following zone. I kind of put this to the back burner, but now that we're back in June, at least for these next 6 months, I do want to make sure that I use the planner. So thanks so much for watching, everyone. Take care. I will see you in the next one. Bye.